In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft PowerPoint to its default settings. If your PowerPoint is crashing, freezing, not opening correctly, or certain features just aren't working the way they should, resetting it back to factory defaults can often fix the problem. This method works by removing PowerPoint's configuration settings from the Windows Registry, so the app rebuilds them from scratch the next time it launches. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, go down to your taskbar and click on the search button. In the search bar, type Registry Editor. You'll see Registry Editor appear in the search results. Now, this is important. Click on Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow it to open. Running it as administrator ensures you have the proper permissions to make changes. Once the Registry Editor opens, you'll see different folders on the left-hand side. These are called registry keys. At the very top of the list, scroll up if needed so you can clearly see the main folders. Now click on H-Key Current User. This folder contains user-specific settings for applications installed on your computer. Inside H-Key Current User, find and click on the folder named Software. You may need to scroll down slightly until you see it. Click to expand Software. Now scroll down through the list until you find the folder named Microsoft. The folders are listed alphabetically, so this should make it easier to locate. Once you find Microsoft, click on it to expand. Next, scroll down again until you see the Office folder. Click on Office to expand it. Inside this folder, you may see version numbers depending on the version of Microsoft Office you have installed, such as 16.0 or another number. Expand the appropriate version if necessary. Within the Office folder, scroll down until you find PowerPoint. Click on the PowerPoint folder so it is highlighted. This folder contains all the custom settings, preferences, and configurations for PowerPoint under your user profile. Now here comes the reset step. Right-click on the PowerPoint folder. From the context menu that appears, click Delete. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys. Click Yes to confirm. What this does is remove all saved configuration settings for PowerPoint. The next time you open PowerPoint, Windows will automatically recreate this folder with fresh default settings, essentially resetting the application. Once you've deleted the PowerPoint folder, you can close the Registry Editor. Now go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint normally from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. The application may take slightly longer to open the first time because it's rebuilding the default configuration files. After it launches, your settings should be restored to their original default state. Keep in mind that this process resets custom preferences, such as toolbar modifications, add-ins, and certain personalization settings. It does not delete your PowerPoint presentations or saved files. Your documents remain completely safe. And that's it. You've successfully reset Microsoft PowerPoint to its default settings using the Windows Registry. If this tutorial helped you fix your issue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.